Hello everyone, Sam is from my forexmagicweb.com. Making this a small video about CAD Index and EUR-CAD and pound-CAD, playing with the index. Okay, so let's get started. This is the CAD Index weekly chart I made. It is made, let me just move this pan from here. It was made on the beginning of August, hitting the TL. This is a nice Gertley pattern here, 78%. I was expecting that it's going to drop to this TL. It started to come down. It came down all the way here. I had a few trades then in the month of September, but what is happening now is that it went up again and hit the TL, and then when I saw that, I said, well, maybe it will drop again, and if it is dropping, then CAD will be getting weaker, and the pair which have CAD on the right hand side will go up, like EUR-CAD, pound-CAD, USD-CAD, right? So I said, okay, let's watch those pairs, and look what happened. Right there at the beginning of October 2nd, it was a nice bounce from the beautiful level 44.40, very nice strong level, and it was like, wave 1, 2, wave 3, 135 pip because of that CAD weakness. Another CAD pair was pound-CAD, same thing on the second, down the road, and then it started going up, bouncing. I went above this is the level 60 to 35, came down, bounced from there for 140 pip, and then the next day again, this is the first entry I just showed you, the pound-CAD, right? Bouncing from 60 to 35, close here, 140 pip, bouncing from here and going again. This is a 20-minute chart again, 120 pip. From here, 65.08, another level. It goes from one level to another level. These are the monthly highs, weekly highs and lows that I play with, and this is how easy and accurate it is. So if you want to learn how to do this, and tonight, by the way, I'm expecting Aussie weakness, and Aussie index probably going to do the same thing. It's going to drop, get weaker, and obviously Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, I'm looking for long setups there, long entries, and if I take those trades, I'll show you my trades tomorrow. This is how you plan the trades, and then when you see the setup, you take the trade according to your plan. So like I said, if you want to learn how to do this, either go and subscribe and attend my weekly webinars, or I also have a one-on-one training available on my website. So just go to my website, myforexmagicweb.com, and subscribe or get on one-on-one and learn how to do this. Every other day you can, in fact every day, some of those, the news schedule, right? You have economic calendar, the news is scheduled. Right after the news, things start to move. Simple as that. When they start moving, you already have things in hand that, okay, this is the setup and it should go up or down, and if the news come out and it goes in your way, you will definitely see those entries in your 20-minute chart or 7-minute chart. You can take easily. I teach you how to where this 20 and 7-minute chart come from, right? So I make it with the help of a special indicator, and that's how that indicator also print these candles. There's no big chaotic moves here or wicks. All the candles are equal size. It is very systematic and very convenient to take the entries. Entries are very, very nice and clean, very easy to understand. So like I said, if you want to learn how to do this and how to trade like that, just go on my website and start trading like this. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend is coming. Today's Friday, so enjoy your weekend, and talk to you guys maybe over the weekend.